Alright, YouTubers, I'll turn this so you can look at it this way. I'll start off with, I'm kind of a pizza snob, so these frozen kind of pizzas aren't very appealing to me to start with. But while I'm house sitting, I was left another pizza, but this is from Aldi's, and it's a cauliflower crust pizza. And I've heard of this kind of stuff before, and I figured I'd give it a shot. So here's what it cost. And that's what the little thing looks like. That's pretty soft, even with the cardboard. They also make a cheese one without pepperoni, but I splurged and went for the pepperoni. I don't know how much better this is for you than a regular one, but like I said, we're going to compare when it's all done.
Pause if you want to read the nutritional. I didn't even turn it over at the store.
I got to tell you, I really should have looked at this closer, because this pizza's not good for you. It's actually the fat and the cholesterol and all that stuff, sodium, is worse than the normal crap frozen pizza. The only thing, it's got less carbs, and not by that much. I just got a little carried away with the made with real cauliflower. Mama Cozy's brings the best pizzeria flavors. Yeah, blah. But I'm going to eat it since I bought it. And I'm pretty sure I won't be getting one of these again. But I'll give you a review. Alright. So, baking instructions on said pizza. It says just to put it on a rack. I have one of these glass ones. So instead of the chance of making a mess, I'm going to use that. Olive oil spray. We'll see how well I can take it out of this without making a total mess. I'm sure there are people that'll say that are vegans or gluten-free or whatever. I'll say, these are awesome. I don't expect much from these, so I'll be honest in stating that I really don't expect much. Wow, that's super thin. Alright, took it off of there. Let's rearrange the pepperoni a little bit. Really tempted to make a smiley face out of pepperoni, but I'm going to stop myself. I started to do it. Alright, as I said, this, I should have read the box closer. I got a little excited. That's what it looks like in the oven. Okay, let's get this pizza out of here. Smells like pizza. It looks like pizza. Gonna let it cool. We'll slice it up when it's cooled down a bit.
Messed up, did time-lapse pictures instead of video, but I wanted to show that it didn't stick and it was pretty easy to slice this pizza up. I hate when I do this, but there you go.
Alright, let's see. I'll put this sucker on a plate. I don't know, man. See if it'll fold. Kinda. That's what it looks like. I'll take a picture of it.
The fold is a test of good pizza.
Alright, like I said, it'll fold, so it's New Yorkish. Let's see. It's got the grease strip, which I always liked when I was a kid in the city. I would always write my name with the grease strips on the paper. You know, it really doesn't taste much different than a normal cheap frozen pizza. So as I said, I'm a pizza snob and I am not a fan of frozen pizzas. But this really isn't any worse than the normal frozen crap you get out of the grocery store. But it's not very healthy. I was hoping with a cauliflower crust it would be a tiny bit better for you. Should have read the box. Important lesson learned. Read the damn box. But alright. So tomorrow or the next day I'll eat the normal frozen pizza that was left for me. That's like three meat pizza, and the numbers on it are better than this, which is kind of scary. But there you go. There is a cauliflower crust pizza. Great and wonderful day. So there we go, YouTubers. There's another pizza. This is the normal crust. DiGiorno.
I'll I'll put the stats of this and the cauliflower. None are good for you.
This takes longer. This takes 20 to 25 minutes. Open it. There it goes. I think she's had this in her freezer for a while. We'll let that oven heat up, and then we'll get cooking this. All right, so the oven says it's ready, and in it goes. 400 for 22 to 25 minutes. So we'll put a timer on it. There it is. Right. All right, so the pizza is done. We'll get it out of there. There we go. Let's cut this pizza up. Sausage, salami, and pepperoni. There we go. We're going to judge this. You can kind of fold it, but not real folding it. And you know, as a New York pizza snob, if you can't fold it, then it's not really pizza. So, let's move this back. DiGiorno's is okay for frozen pizza. Again, pizza snob here. It's frozen pizza. But I want to say, I still got the box of this cauliflower pizza. Other than the fact that it's not healthy, and I didn't look close enough to see that it's really not healthy, the cauliflower pizza crust was pretty good. So I might keep my eye open in the future for another crust made out of cauliflower where the pizza itself might be a little bit healthier. But if you get a chance, you can give a taste test. In summation, I will say both of them are not very good for you. They're not very healthy. And the cauliflower pizza was better than I expected taste-wise. The crust was much better than I expected taste-wise. And DiGiorno's is okay. You know, again, it's frozen pizza. But honestly, I think I'll be keeping my eyes out to see this whole cauliflower pizza crust thing if I can find one that's healthier. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great and wonderful day.